Hello everyone and welcome to today's results and clearing session at the University of Stirling. We're here for the next 10 minutes or so just to help you with any questions you might have about results day, about clearing and about getting ready to join us at the University of Stirling. My name's Andrew, I'm the Inquiries Manager here, and with us today we have Ali and Ewan. If you'd just like to introduce yourself, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Ali Clark and I'm Head of Student Recruitment here at the University.
Hi everyone, my name is Ewan McDermott and I'm the Student Recruitment Officer with the responsibility for clearing.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, guys, for coming along and to answer any questions a lot of students or parents and guardians might have about results day and clearing. If you do have any questions as we go through, just feel free to put them in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to help. So Ali, it's results day coming up. It's going to be a big day for a lot of students receiving their higher results. Could you tell us a bit more about what they're going to expect on the day when they log into their UCAS Hub?
Brilliant. Okay, first of all, good luck to everyone that's waiting results. I know it's a really stressful day. When you log in, it'll be Tuesday, the 5th of August is the critical day for results day for Scottish students, and you'll be able to log into your UCAS Hub from 9 AM. When you log into your UCAS Hub, you'll be able to see a couple of different things. You may well see congratulations, and that means that you have secured a place at your first choice of university, or you may see you have been released into clearing, and more on that in a second.
Fantastic. And after that, in the weeks following results day, students will start to receive information from the university if they've been placed with us about getting ready to join us, enrolment and Freshers Week and stuff like that, won't they?
Yes, so they'll get information from the university that they've placed at, and they'll also be given access to what's known as the applicant portal, and a lot of important information is on there, and things about enrolment, Freshers Week, building up a timetable and student accommodation are all contained within the applicant portal.
Brilliant, thank you very much. So let's talk a little bit about clearing. So Ewan, if a student logs in on the 5th of August at 9 AM to their UCAS Hub and they see that they've been placed into clearing, or if they're looking to apply through clearing separately, how do they go about doing that?
Yep, absolutely, Andrew. So on the morning of clearing as well, if a student does find themselves in a position of being enlisted in UCAS clearing, they will then have the opportunity to speak to universities that they've done their research into. So for example, if you're looking at Stirling specifically, that's when you'll then have the opportunity to speak to dedicated university staff. So there are a number of ways that you can do this. You can get in contact with us through calls, you can do this through our live chat function, and you'll also have the opportunity to do this through our GECO clearing form that you will find online on our website as well.
So what other things do students need to consider when preparing to speak to us through clearing, what they can use to get ready?
Absolutely. So the most important thing would be to have as much information to hand as possible. So not only are you going to want to have a pen and paper handy, you're going to want to have some key information. So first and foremost, we'll look for your personal details. We'll also look for your UCAS ID number. Now, the vast majority of students will probably have this if they've already applied through the main cycle. If you haven't done this, it's not an issue. You can still go through a basic UCAS application, but it's ultimately having a willing attitude as well. Once you've then done this, we will consider all your personal details alongside all the qualifications you have obtained, and then we will be able to make you a verbal offer on that basis.
Fantastic. Now, we do always get some questions each year about nominated access, don't we? So can you talk us through about how that works and how we deal with that through clearing?
Yes. For nominated access, it's a section on the UCAS form which many people bypass because they're not really sure what it's about. And 9 times out of 10, we don't use nominated access, but it does come to the fore during the results period. Nominated access tends to be a trusted person. Now that could be a parent, a guardian, or a trusted teacher. And for data protection reasons, the only person that we can speak to as a university about the application is the student themselves, unless they have a nominated access. So it particularly is important if you're deciding to go on holiday around results time, or if you are taking a gap year as well. So it's critical that you get that nominated access in place.
Brilliant, thank you very much. And one last thing before we kind of finish up. If a student does get an offer through clearing and they kind of get a place at the university and they've been referred and then kind of fully accepted, there's chances to visit us before the start of term, isn't there?
Yes, they would just go on to our booking form for campus visits. So it's our website, stir.ac.uk/visit us, and they can book their preferred date and time, and they'll be shown round by one of our current students.
Fantastic.
So you can familiarise yourself before you come and start with us in September.
Brilliant. Well, Ali and Ewan, thank you very much for coming along and talking to us about clearing and results day. Hopefully you found that really useful. Again, we're open from 9 a.m. on the 5th of August, and our telephone number is 01786 466 166. And again, we'll also be available on the telephone, on live chat, and through our kind of clearing contact form as well. So if you have any questions, do feel free to get in contact with us. But once again, we hope you found this useful, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.